Hey y'all, and welcome back to I Am Beautiful Hustle TV. If you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on your bells. Today we are back with another sponsored video, and today we'll be doing a 360 invisible wig installation. And today's hair is provided by AfsisterWigs. Now this is what the wig looks like fresh out of the box. They did send me over, some caps and extra little goodies for the installation. But this is what the wig looks like all around, and I'm going to flip the wig inside and out to show you guys what the invisible strap looks like. It's like some little plastic like string material, and you pull it to tighten on both sides. That way you do not have to glue the back of your wig down. And today I'll be installing this wig on my model Kiki. She is one of the bring stalls that I dance with for Love and Hip Hop Miami, and she is so pretty, such a cute girl. So I decided to use her today for the tutorial. So her makeup is B, of course, by Pixie. And we're just going to get straight into this video. It's very simple, very easy. And I'll be using my newest formula that has not released yet of the lace matte adhesive. And I will be doing promotions soon on this adhesive, and also pre-orders for those who want to try it out first. So just stay tuned for that. But I'm just going to use about 3 layers of this glue. It is way thicker. It's a thicker consistency than my previous formula before, and it holds on so good. Like if you are a heavy sweater and everything, your wig holds on so good. I've used this glue so far on my heavy sweaters and also some of my exotic dancer clients that sweat a lot when they're dancing at the clubs, and their wig is holding on strong, baby. Okay, so not only is it so heavy sweater friendly, it is also waterproof. But as I mentioned, I'll be dropping a promo for that later. But as you can see, this glue has dried clear, so we're gonna go ahead and tack this wig down. Y'all know I like to start from the center first and work my way onto the sides. Now the final look for this hair today is going to be a ponytail look, and I'm going to crimp the ponytail and do like a little butterfly braid for the little perimeter around the ponytail for the little wraparound. And I'm going to cut the ends even of the ponytail. It is so pretty, so quick, and such a simple look to slay. And we're going to do some dramatic baby hairs as well. But right now I'm tucking that lace down. I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and my comb and just melt that lace in. And then we're going to turn her around to tighten the back of the wig, tie her down with the melt belt, and then we'll get into cutting the lace and styling the baby hairs. So as I have her hold the front, I'm just going to pull the wig down and just tighten up the inside of the scraps. Now what I should have done was kind of like spritzed up her little natural baby hairs and stuff, and a little black eyed peas in the back. But I was not even thinking. But it's okay, because when we do the style, none of that is going to show regardless. So I'm just pulling the wig down, and as you can see, I'm tightening the scrap so it could fit snug around her head. And I did go in and cut off any extra lace that was not needed after tightening the back of her wig, but we did get it to fit nice and snug. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and flip her back around, and now I'm gonna tie her down with that melt band, and just go ahead and let that sit. Then we're gonna come back in, cut the extra lace off, and I'm gonna pull out the section for her baby hairs. So now we're gonna go ahead and slice that lace right down the middle, cut it right down the middle, and just going in with the fresh eyebrow razor. I'm going to razor off that extra lace from the front of the hairline, go in with the glue and tack down any other areas that still may be lifting. And once both sides are cut, I will go back in with more foundation, and pull out the section for her baby hairs. And as I mentioned, her baby hairs were more dramatic today, but it was so pretty and it fit the look. So once we are done with the baby hairs, we will get into the styling of the wig, which is the ponytail crimp bob. Well, what am I talking about? Crimp bob. The ponytail crimped look. So I'm gonna pull out the hair in the middle, and then of course on the sides. We're gonna go a little dramatic today. What is gonna be super, super cute, and it's gonna fit the look. So I'm just pulling out the hairs in the middle, hot comb in the back, and I'm gonna pull out the baby hairs in the section. And I'm gonna show you guys how I completed the baby hairs on one side, and then of course off camera I did the other side to match the side that I showed you on camera. And once I get everything sectioned off, I'm going to take the holding spray, spray it, tie it down once again, and then I'm going to remove it and create the baby hairs and then actually get into the style. So starting with the middle baby hair first, I'm going to cut, curl, and swoop. And like I said, we're doing dramatic, so I'm going to give dramatic. So a lot of loops and dupes and whoops and swoops, you know, just to give it a nice, pretty look and not just so plain, because we're already doing like a simple look. But, you know, you can still make simple, extravagant just by adding a little spice here and there. So I cut it, curled it, combing it out, and I just like to go on with some holding spray to swoop my baby hair because it gives you that nice soft look, but it is still like slightly firm. And you know, we're just gonna swoop it up real nice and cute, and I'm gonna work my way to the sides in detail on the left side, but like I mentioned, other side will be off camera. But I will show you guys the finishing look on both sides after I'm done completing the baby hairs. And my baby hair is complete, and now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and this is what it looks like when both sides are complete. Very pretty, yet dramatic, but still kind of like not too much, you know. And I'm just adding a little heat protectant, and I'm going to brush the hair out nice and thoroughly, and then I'm going to pull it up into a ponytail, hot comb it. And once I get my hair in a ponytail that I need it to be in, as far as the placement and the height of it, I will go ahead and, you know, crimp up the hair and also create my little butterfly braid to go around the ponytail. So I'm creating my ponytail, and once I get it nice and secure, I'm going to use holding spray to kind of mold it. But I like where the ponytail is sitting, and just kind of smoothing it out and everything like that. This is a 360, and we did not glue down the back. We used the invisible scrap on the inside, but I am going to do some adjustment in the back just to make sure that the lace is not showing or flipping up or whatever like that. So I will do that as well, because right now it's still kind of like, because I put the ponytail up, it kind of lifted up, but I am going to go in and secure that back down. But right now I'm going to start taking my crimper and crimping the ends of the hair to give it a more defined look instead of just like a messy look. We want it to still be neat and pretty, so I'm going to add some crimps into the whole ponytail, and then once that's done, you know, fluff it out, add the butterfly braid and clip the ponytail ends even.
To take a step out, get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, disappear if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear a long night. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, yeah. Ooh, baby, baby, heavy on my empty mindset.
And I'm just fluffing out that braid so I can get ready to wrap it around and just pulling it apart. And now we have it completed. So now I'm just going to take some pins and just pin it down into place. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to continue to smooth the ponytail out some more and cut it even and everything like that. We will have a nice ponytail, crimped, fluffy ponytail. And like I said, y'all, let's clean up those ends. So I go in with the scissors after creating my butterfly braid and fluffing it out, and I just wanted to look, you know, more neat and more put together. So we're gonna just clean those ends up and give it a nice little clean cut. And I'm just gonna go all the way around, not really cutting off too much, just enough to even out the ends. So I'm just going around doing a nice little blunt cut on the pony. And this is the finished look. It is so pretty, okay, nice and fluffy. Like I said, the back is not going to show. Nice and crimped pony. Yes, 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 yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a comment down below. If you try this look, make sure you tag me. Once again, this wig is from AfsisterWigs, and check out the description details down below. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.